Understanding the phrase, sound of the bell. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, sound of the bell. This phrase is not just about a bell ringing, but it holds deeper meanings and uses in English. So, let's dive in and unravel its significance together. Firstly, let's consider the literal meaning of sound of the bell. When we talk about this, we are referring to the actual noise produced by a bell. Bells are often associated with alertness and attention. They ring during certain events or moments, like school periods, church services, or alarms. Understanding this basic meaning sets the foundation for more figurative uses. Moving on to more interesting aspects, let's talk about the figurative uses of the phrase. In English, sound of the bell can symbolize a signal for action or a prompt for change. For example, in a boxing match, the sound of the bell signifies the start or end of a round. Similarly, in daily life, this phrase might be used metaphorically to indicate that it's time to start or stop an activity or to signify a moment of realization. Now, let's explore some cultural and historical references. In many cultures, bells hold significant meanings. For instance, in schools, the bell signals the start and end of classes. Historically, town bells would ring to gather people or to alert them of important news. These references help in understanding the symbolic weight of the phrase in various contexts. There are also common expressions and idioms that use this concept. Phrases like, saved by the bell, or ring a bell, use the imagery of a bell's sound to convey specific ideas. Saved by the bell refers to being rescued from a difficult situation at the last moment, while ring a bell is used to ask if something sounds familiar or recalls a memory. Finally, let's look at how this phrase is used in literature and media. In many poems, stories, and films, the sound of a bell often symbolizes transition, warning, or the passage of time. Understanding these references can enrich our appreciation of English literature and media. I hope this exploration of the phrase, sound of the bell, has been enlightening. Remember, English is full of such interesting phrases that add color and depth to our communication. Keep learning and exploring, and you'll find that English is not just a language, but a journey full of discoveries. See you in our next video.